Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix chained together fatal error. So mostly it is because there's a load on your graphics card. So what you can do is search for device manager, head over, and then double click on display adapters, right click on your GPU, click on update driver, and then search automatically for drivers, and then it should be updated. Next thing you want to do is whichever kind of control panel you have for your graphics card, head over there and then click on manage 3D settings. From there we're going to find max frame rate, and you can try setting this to like on and then set this to 58 or 60, whatever is depending on your refresh rate, as I said, because it is a GPU load issue. And last but not the least, what you can do is head over to your Steam and then on to library and then find your game and make sure that the integrated files are verified. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.